Hey y'all, it's your girl Naturally. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming at you guys with another makeup tutorial / outfit of the day. So this is the look that I'll be doing for you on today. And if you guys like this look, then feel free to stay tuned for more. Enjoy! y'all, and that is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. And now for the outfit of the day. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder top that I got from Forever 21. These pants, I believe I got these from H&M Forever 21. This purse is from H&M, and I pair it with this ring. If you're from Yonkers, I got it from Getty Square. Okay, and I'm also going to pair it with these flats. These cute little flats that I got from Rainbow. Y'all, change of plans. I've decided to go with this purse instead. I like this better. So yeah, and I paired it with my flats. You already know about my top, my pants. So this is the outfit of the day. If you guys like this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial slash outfit of the day. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at NaturallyTV for more pics and posts and updates. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day.